Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by increasing the call audio right now. Press the physical volume up while on a call so you change call channel, not media. Once done, open settings and verify Do Not Disturb is off and any volume limit or hearing aid compatibility is disabled. These often cap call loudness. Make sure the phone case or lint isn't blocking the receiver. A quick clean of the earpiece improves clarity and perceived loudness because sound no longer muffles against dirt. Next, you tackle software and routing. During a call, switch between earpiece, speaker, and Bluetooth to identify the loudest path. Sometimes Bluetooth profiles reduce volume. Then update the phone OS and carrier settings and restart. Updates can fix audio processing bugs that lower call gain. Also, dive into accessibility to tweak equalizer, audio balance, or enable hearing aid mode. These settings change how gain and frequency respond, which raises intelligibility and the perceived loudness of voices. Finally, apply advanced tweaks and a clear troubleshooting path. You can install a reputable call amplifier app or use a wired headset with inline volume for additional gain. These bypass weak handset amplifiers. If problems persist, reset network settings and only then consider a factory reset after backing up. This removes software corruption that may throttle audio. If it still fails, test the SIM in another phone or try a different SIM in your phone. This isolates whether the issue is the handset hardware or the carrier.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.